Avril Nightingale, born on April 1, 1940, in Middlesex, England. Initially known as Annie Nightingale, left an indelible mark as an English radio and television broadcaster. Her groundbreaking achievements include being the inaugural female presenter on BBC Radio 1 in 1970 and the first female presenter on BBC Television's The Old Grey Whistle Test, where she held her role for a span of 4 years. Commencing her media career in the early 1960s, Nightingale transitioned from newspaper journalism to roles as a reporter and panelist on various news and entertainment programs. In 1964 and 65, she hosted the music TV series That's For Me and presented The Who's initial promotional film during her tenure. As a BBC Radio 1 DJ, Nightingale fervently championed new music, notably during her 4-year co-hosting stint on the esteemed UK music TV series The Old Grey Whistle Test, starting in 1978. During this period, she showcased her passion for artists from the punk and new wave scene. In addition, she also presenting the pop culture show, curated a diverse lineup of guest musicians, including those not previously featured on television, such as the Yardbirds. A trailblazer for women in broadcasting, Nightingale actively encouraged and led the movement for more female DJs. Her legacy extends to being the longest-serving broadcaster in BBC Radio 1's history and holding the Guinness World Record for the lengthiest career as a female radio presenter. She remained an on-air BBC radio personality until the year preceding her passing. Annie Nightingale, an iconic figure in broadcasting, passed away at the age of 83 on January 11, 2024. Leaving memories and sadness among world musicians, especially those who have experienced Annie Nightingale's contribution in increasing the popularity of their musical works. Rest in peace, Annie.